Welcome back to Wet Wednesday and episode 2 of the shittiest RXX money can buy. Sponsored and brought to you by Backyard Brian and David D Enterprises, which stands for douchebag. Alright, so last time you guys saw the episode, we tore this thing down. First off, sorry about the mic. Freaking Nick got too excited, splooged all over it, got all staticky, it was fucked up. Nobody liked it, including ourselves, but we had to use it because it's the only footage we had. So, it's fucking stupid. Alright, so today, we're really just gonna organize all the crap that we took out of this, and then we're gonna load it on the trailer, take it to the car wash down the street because this thing's nasty, and dirty up their freaking lot instead of my driveway.
Yeah,
sounds good, yeah?
we'll scrub a dub-dub. Oh. Don't forget your rubber ducky.
It's yellow like a rubber ducky.
Yeah, taking the rubber ducky to the car wash.
What's up, dude?
What's up? We're done with disassembly for now, so it's time to get this rubber ducky to the car wash. Then we just gotta figure out what we want to do with the fuel tank,
Working at the car wash.
Because there's a...
Working at the car wash. What do you got there, bro?
Hey, Backyard Brian said these bad boys are ready to roll.
How they look?
Check that out. You got the famous green goo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so...
You know, the race gas probably would just clean that right out.
Oh, yeah, just burn it right out, dude. Fucking right out the exhaust.
Hey, dude, Dave sent this to me and told me it's ready to go. Just needs the exhaust hooked up.
Yeah, ready to go to the bottom of the lake.
Yeah, seriously. Alright, so here's another fail on this thing. And not only is it like just rusty from a little bit of water, it has extreme rust buildup on the coil packs. So this thing had standing water in it for a decent amount of time. So this is gonna have to be cleaned up, new coil packs, new starter solenoid and everything else.
Add it to the list.
Yeah, the list that grows daily. The list that grows daily.
And there goes your waking baby.
Go on that one.
Which one?
This one.
This one? When you're on, I'll give it a push. Or you're gonna crank it on.
Ready? Stop.
Getting the pre-soak going.
Gotta do, this thing's nasty. Spray about weeds. Alright, that's the one we want. The wall pack is all the way down there, so it's the third one in. I always fuck it up.
Backyard Brian's not gonna be happy.
I come here so often to do skis and like just miscellaneous crap. I always clean like the bay when I'm done. And one of the employees was like, hey dude, you don't gotta do that. I was like, no, I'm not an asshole, man. I do it every time. He's like, really? I'm like, yeah. He's like, cool. Are you gonna be here a little bit longer? I'm like, yeah, wow, what's up? He's like, oh, I'll be right back. He came back and gave me a $75 gift card.
Oh, look at you.
It's freaking nice, dude.
Ah, that's karma.
Good karma for once. So we do those bump sliders.
Yeah. Like the wheels on this one better.
Oh yeah.
All right, well, just got back from the car wash and
It cleaned up pretty good.
Here's
It's got some stuff in it still, but this is as good as it's gonna get.
there's the inside now.
Yeah, the inside looks pretty good now. Turf cleaned up.
All right, guys, well, that concludes today's video. Not the most entertaining video, so to speak, but we just wanted to give you an update on this bad boy here. Another pro tip, that's how we clean our jet skis. We take them to the car wash and power wash the shit out of them. As you can see in the video, the gunk that came out of this bad boy. So next week, we're gonna get started on tearing down the 951 motor. We're actually waiting on a few parts, which is why we decided to clean out the rest of the hull. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next week with Backyard Brian 951 engine teardown.
Letting her rip, tater chin. Hoodie on, dude. I'm freezing my dick off.
Good thing you got your vintage jet ski hoodie to keep you warm all winter.
My shoulder hurts so bad I can't put a fucking hoodie on.
That's what happens when you slug 951 engines out of jet skis.
Ready?
We're rolling.
Welcome back to Wet Wednesday and episode 2 of the shittiest RXX money can buy. Sponsored and brought to you by Backyard Brian and David D Enterprises, which stands for douchebag.